As men get older, many experience a quiet frustration that often goes unspoken, a gradual decline in intimate health. It's not just about testosterone levels dropping. It's about how blood flow, nerve function, and hormonal balance slowly shift, making it harder to achieve and maintain firm erections. This decline often begins subtly, a bit of delay here, a softer morning erection theory, until one day, it feels like the spark has faded. But what if simple, natural habits could help turn back time? What if something as gentle as drinking warm water with honey before bed could become a cornerstone of restoring your intimate vitality? This isn't wishful thinking, it's rooted in how your body works. Your blood vessels need to stay flexible and healthy, your nerves nourished, and your hormones supported by quality sleep and balanced energy. The nightly habit of drinking warm water mixed with honey supports all these systems. And the men in their 70s and 80s who swear by it aren't imagining things, they're living proof. Erections begin with blood flow, specifically, how effectively blood can enter the penis and fill the chambers that create firmness. Over time, arteries can stiffen and narrow, limiting that vital circulation. That's why good blood flow is the foundation of sexual health, especially for men over 60. Warm water gently relaxes blood vessels, acting like a soothing internal massage that encourages them to widen. This reduces resistance and allows more oxygen-rich blood to reach your muscles, including the tiny vessels that supply your most intimate areas. Honey adds another layer of support. It's packed with natural antioxidants and compounds that help increase nitric oxide production, a key molecule that tells blood vessels to relax and expand during arousal. Without enough nitric oxide, even healthy nerves can't deliver the right signals. Together, warm water and honey create a powerful synergy that primes your circulatory system before sleep, helping your body maintain better blood flow overnight and awaken with stronger, more dependable erections. For many men, the decline in erection quality after 60 isn't just about circulation, it's also about hormones, especially testosterone. This crucial hormone influences libido, energy, and the body's ability to achieve and sustain strong erections. Testosterone levels naturally decrease with age, leaving many men feeling less energetic and confident. Here's where the warm water and honey ritual shows unexpected benefits. Drinking this mixture before bed helps stabilize blood sugar levels overnight, preventing spikes and crashes that can interfere with deep, restorative sleep. Deep sleep is vital because this is when the body produces most of its testosterone. Honey's natural sugars provide gentle energy that supports balanced hormone release without overstimulation. Over time, improved sleep and blood sugar balance create a hormonal environment that supports steady testosterone production naturally. This gradual boost doesn't just enhance physical performance, it rekindles desire and confidence. You wake up feeling more like yourself, with the drive and vitality you thought were behind you. Erections aren't just about blood, they also depend on nerve signals reaching the right places at the right time. As men age, nerve sensitivity in the pelvic area can dull, making it harder to respond to stimulation and maintain erection quality. Warm water with honey supports nerve health in meaningful ways. Better circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to the nerve endings responsible for sexual sensation, while honey's antioxidants reduce inflammation that can damage delicate nerve tissues. By easing inflammation, the mixture helps restore the pathways essential for strong, consistent erections. The result is not only firmer erections but also richer, more satisfying intimacy that boosts confidence and joy in the bedroom. Preparing this drink correctly is essential to unlock its full benefits. It's not just about mixing honey into hot water, the temperature and quality matter. Use warm, not boiling, water. If the water is too hot, it destroys the beneficial enzymes and antioxidants in raw honey. The ideal temperature is comfortably warm to sip, soothing rather than burning. Always choose raw, unfiltered honey, which retains the natural antioxidants, minerals, and pollen lost in processed versions. Use about 1 teaspoon of honey, stirring it fully into the warm water. Too much honey can add unnecessary sugar, disrupting sleep and hormonal balance. Drink it slowly over a few minutes so your body can absorb the nutrients while signaling your nervous system to relax. preparing for better sleep and improved sexual function. To get the best results, avoid common mistakes. Don't use boiling water, it kills the active compounds in honey. Avoid processed honey, which is often diluted and stripped of its natural benefits. Always use raw, local honey for freshness and potency. Don't drink the mixture right after a large meal. Wait at least 1 to 2 hours so your body can focus on rest and hormone balance. Skip adding extras like lemon or milk. A lemon can cause reflux, and milk may trigger inflammation or digestive issues that interfere with sleep. Keeping the ritual simple ensures your body gets the maximum benefit. Circulation is the cornerstone of intimate health. When you drink warm water with honey before bed, you give your blood vessels a gentle, natural boost. The warmth helps them relax, improving blood flow throughout your body, including the delicate arteries that supply your penis. Honey's antioxidants enhance nitric oxide production, allowing blood vessels to dilate more effectively during arousal. Over time, this nightly ritual helps your arteries stay flexible and responsive, gradually restoring your body's natural ability to deliver strong, steady blood flow where it matters most. Strong erections depend not just on circulation but also on nerve health and responsiveness. As men age, nerve sensitivity can fade, making it harder to achieve or sustain erection quality. Warm water with honey supports nerve vitality by improving oxygen and nutrient delivery while reducing inflammation that dulls nerve function. Healthier nerves mean better communication between mind and body, enhancing both responsiveness and pleasure. This creates a positive cycle. Stronger erections boost confidence, which improves intimacy and satisfaction. When you start this nightly habit, patience is key. Many men notice early signs within a week: a deeper sleep, more energy in the morning. Within a few weeks, changes become more noticeable: stronger morning erections, better stamina, and renewed confidence. It's not a quick fix but a gradual reawakening of your body's natural systems. Consistency builds momentum. Make warm water with honey part of your nightly self-care routine. Simple, mindful, and effective. Choose high-quality ingredients, keep it consistent, and listen to your body. Adjust the amount of honey if needed, and check with your doctor if you have any health concerns. Over time, this small, nightly ritual becomes more than just a drink. It's an act of self-care and renewal. It's a reminder that your health, confidence, and pleasure matter, no matter your age. You're not trying to fix a problem, you're reclaiming your vitality and joy. So tonight, prepare your warm water, stir in a teaspoon of raw honey, and take that quiet moment for yourself. You're investing in your strength, energy, and confidence. A proof that age is just a number and that your best, most powerful chapter may still be ahead.